This is the acceptance test for MEC 427, challenge 1. So the challenge was to make a smart sensor that measures either liquid level or liquid flow. We've chosen liquid level, and we are using an ultrasonic sensor. And there are several things to note here right off the bat. Number one is that the ESP32 that we're using only runs on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So we've had to set up a hotspot with our phone and connect to that. And then number two is that the trig pin on the ultrasonic sensor outputs 5 volts, but the pins on the ESP32 can only accept 3.3 volts. So what we've had to do is we run the out from the trig into a voltage divider and then into the pin, and you can choose 1K and 2K resistor, 2K and 4K resistor. Basically, you just want to divide it in half so you can get the correct voltage and don't fry your pin. Okay, so what we've done is we've wired the sensor up along with the ESP32, and this will give us a very flexible smart sensor. We can program it in many different languages. We can control all the inputs and outputs. And for this application, we've chosen MicroPython. And for the IoT implementation, we've chosen Node-RED. Go over here and show you that. You can see it's got a little water in it right now. So we programmed it in MicroPython, and the code's already loaded in there, and then we are interfacing with Node-RED through the serial port. So you can see here, it's pretty consistent. All right, let's do the test. Oops. Okay. Carefully, very carefully, this sensor is not waterproof. Okay. We were at 8.4 before. Go over here. 7.5. Let's see if I can do this. Got that. There we go. 5.5. Once it settles in, it's extremely accurate too. Well, it was. And that is challenge 1. Your smart liquid level sensor using an ultrasonic sensor that you can buy for $1 and an ESP32 chip that you can buy for about $3. Of course, if this was an actual implementation, it would not be on a breadboard. It would probably be in some sort of case, and you might even want to use a smaller microcontroller than this. I think they have one that might be even cut in half. But that is the challenge. A very flexible sensor with IoT integration. Thank you very much.